welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple way on how I reorganize my fridge. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified once I get new video uploaded. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about the whole rearrangement. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. I had to buy some additional items to complete this project. These items, some came from Walmart and some came from Dollar Tree. The gallons came from Walmart. I'm using the gallon for juice and also I'm gonna use it for milk as well. The green container came from Dollar Tree. I'll be using that for my fruits. And this will be used for soda. I'll use it to stack soda. That came from Dollar Tree as well. And that's a stacking bin. I'm gonna be using that for yogurt. So the fridge has been thoroughly cleaned. As you can see, it's looking sparkling clean right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything back in the fridge. Stay with me while I go ahead and put everything back in. Let me know what you think about this. Comment below. This is the finished work. This is how this looks. Up here I have Lazy Susan. This Lazy Susan is from Walmart, and this one I made this one from the Dollar Tree pan. I have some marbles in there, and these garlands are from Walmart as well. And down here I do have the soda stack. That is from Dollar Tree, and this green stack bin is also from Dollar Tree. Right here, the egg container also is from Dollar Tree. And the sticker that I use also is also from Dollar Tree. So this is how I did the arrangement for the fruits. And down here I have my veggies. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified once I get new video uploaded. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and also please comment below. Let me know what you think about this organization, the before and after. And I hope you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you again on my next video.